A father cannot be punished for the actions of his son. This, BJP sources have told NDTV, is the ruling party's position on demands from the opposition that Junior Home Minister Ajay Mishra must resign or be sacked over his son being charged in the Lakhimpur Kheri killings of farmers. Sources told NDTV the party's senior leadership is not in favor of precipitate action against Mr. Mishra and that he will not, at this time, be removed from the Council of Ministers. Sources pointed out as union ministers and senior BJP leaders have said that the Lakhimpur Kheri case is sub judice and that the SIT had yet to file its final report. Party sources did, however, admit that Mr. Mishra's shocking outburst at journalists yesterday was wrong. The minister had been cautioned, the sources said. Moving on to the next news, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, who is emerging as the big challenger to the BJP ahead of the assembly polls in Uttar Pradesh, has agreed to mend fences with his estranged uncle Shivpal Yadav after a 45-minute meeting between the two in Lucknow. After the meeting, Akhilesh Yadav tweeted a picture of him and Shivpal Yadav saying they had agreed to an alliance for the crucial 2022 assembly election. The 66-year-old Shivpal Yadav had broken away from the Samajwadi Party ahead of the 2017 elections and formed his own party, the Pragatishil Samajwadi Party Lohia, after very public differences with Akhilesh Yadav. In the last year, Shivpal Yadav had said openly multiple times that he was ready for a reapproachment, but there had been no reciprocation from his nephew except for a few non-committal statements. Moving on to the next news. 90-year-old E. Sridharan, popularly known as Metro Man, has said that he is no longer interested in active politics. This comes months after he had contested in Kerala's assembly elections from the Palakkad constituency on a BJP ticket but lost. The party failed to win even one seat in the state. "I won't be in active politics, that time has passed. I haven't given up politics, but I am no longer interested. I am at an advanced age of 90, he told the media. He added that he was never a politician and had joined politics as a bureaucrat. "I am serving people through 3 trusts, even beyond politics," he said. He admitted that he was slightly disappointed after his electoral defeat, "But I have no disappointment now when I look back, because as the only MLA I could not have done anything. Without power in the state, one MLA cannot do anything," Mr. Sridharan said. He lost to Congress's sitting MLA Shafi Parambil from the Palakkad constituency. Moving on to the next news. The issue of Gurgaon's Muslims being stopped from offering namaz in open spaces, including government-owned land, every Friday for the past few months reached the Supreme Court on Thursday after an ex-Rajya Sabha MP filed a petition. Ex-MP Muhammad Adib has moved the top court asking for action against Haryana officials, including the Chief Secretary and the Director General of Police, for failing to comply with earlier directions regarding measures to curb communal and violent sentiments that result in hate crimes. Action has been sought against Chief Secretary Sanjeev Kaushal, DGP PK Agrawal and others. Moving on to the next news. A day after India Test captain Virat Kohli triggered a storm by publicly contradicting him, BCCI President Sourav Ganguly refused to comment on the matter, saying the board will deal with it. Kohli, during his pre-departure press conference ahead of the tour of South Africa, said that he was never asked to stay on as T20 skipper when he made his intent clear on relinquishing the post. This was in complete contrast to Ganguly's assertion a few days back that Kohli had been requested to not quit the position. "No statements, no press conference, we will deal with it, leave it to the BCCI," Ganguly told local media persons on Thursday.